welcome back to another week of Techy Tuesday. In our last episode, we showed you guys how you can create and customize your own YouTube channel. Today, we're going to take that one step further, and I'm going to show you how you can actually upload your finished video products to your channel. Keep in mind as I go through this, I am on the desktop version of YouTube. I am not going through the app today. We will do another video on how to upload through the YouTube app, but today we're focused on doing this through the computer. So once I am signed into my YouTube account, I'm going to hit this create button in the top right hand corner. It's going to give me a couple of options. The only thing we're focused on today is uploading our videos. Once you've selected upload videos, it's going to pull up this pop-up where you are going to then be instructed to go into your computer files and actually find the video that you would like to be posting. Once you've selected your video from your files, you're going to be taken to a detail screen. You are going to continue to put in the information that you need in order to finish publishing the video. The first things it's asking for are our title and our description. So when we're actually looking at our videos, our title is going to be the full title of the video. And then when we click into that video, the description is what's going to be underneath that can really go into detail about the specifics of what's in your video. Now, there is a lot of strategy behind how you title and describe your videos, so I highly recommend that if you are going to be getting into YouTube, that you go and do some research on title and description strategy, as well as things like SEO and GEO to help you out actually end up in search results when people are looking for things. After you've put your title and your description, we're going to go on to the thumbnail. That thumbnail is going to be the main photo that people see when they are searching for your video, and it comes up in a list. So again, there is quite a bit of strategy behind how to create a thumbnail. We're not going to get into that part today, but I do recommend that you look into it. You can upload a file directly, so this would be your photo file. We make our thumbnails in Canva, download them as photos, and then come back and upload them here. You can also use an auto-generated, so you can have AI attempt to create the thumbnail based on information it's pulling from your video. And if you're really getting into this, you can do A/B testing. You can actually have different thumbnails being shown for different viewers of your video. After you've selected your thumbnail, you are going to be able to select to add your video to a playlist on your channel. We love doing this on our own channel. It makes it really easy to create categories for your videos. So if someone's looking for something specific, it's easy for them to find it. So right here, we actually have a playlist on our channel about YouTube strategies. So once you're done here, that might be a good place to go check it out. When you click this drop down, you are able to select one of your current playlists, or you can create a completely new one if you need to. So it's then going to ask you for your intended audience. Is this video made for kids, or is it not intended for children? One, this helps protect children as they are viewing things on YouTube, but it also makes sure that your content isn't getting pushed out to people who are not going to need it. So in our case, our educational technology videos are meant for our real estate agents. They are not necessarily made for children. So I'm going to mark, no, it is not made for kids. However, I'm going to then open the advanced age restriction and make sure that it's set that you do not have to be over 18 in order to watch this video. That way, if somebody a little bit younger than 18 does stumble across our technology videos, there is nothing here they can't watch if they are below the age of 18. It's just not simply our intended audience. Once you're done filling out your detail screen, it's then going to ask you for video elements. If it gives you the option, you can add automatic subtitles to your video. You can end on an end screen. For example, ours always ends with our KW Heritage logo. Adding a card lets you basically add a little pop-up within your video where you can redirect to other sources. So at the beginning of this video, I mentioned that I had made a different one instructing you how to actually create your account. So I could have added a card to this video that when you click on it, redirects you to the other video. And I'll be honest, this is new. I have not played with this at all as well, but you could add a quiz to pop up somewhere in your video to make it more interactive. After you get through this screen, you are going to do your final copyright check. So you are just going to wait for YouTube to say, yes, you are good to continue. There are no copyright issues. And then you're gonna select how you want this video to be published. So private means only specific people with a really specific link are gonna be able to watch that video. So you are fully in control of who is seeing that video. Unlisted means you don't technically have to be logged into your account to watch the video, but it's not gonna publicly pull up on YouTube. This is great for agents who may wanna put a video up on their website, but they don't necessarily want that video to be found publicly. Then public means anybody can see it and it can be found through the search on YouTube. We're not gonna talk about Instant Premiere today, but if you are not incredibly active on this, then that is not gonna be something you will really need to worry about. You can also choose to schedule your post out ahead of time if you need to do that. And then before you're finished, if you do need to share this video out anywhere, it will go ahead and give you the link, and then you'll hit your final schedule or publish button, and then you'll see that information pop up in your Creator Studio, and it will let you know when that video is finished publishing. So that is our basic tutorial on uploading a video to YouTube. If you have additional questions, please let us know in the comments. When you're in your Creator Studio, if you click on Settings and Upload Defaults, you're able to preset some of the information that it's asking for when you post so that you don't have to do it every single time. We always start our titles with Techy Tuesday, so we have it set in our settings here that is immediately added to our title name. Once you've made those changes, you'll hit Save and you'll see them reflect going forward.